What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is the Working Dad channel, and today we're going to talk about heater cores. If you have an old Ford truck like mine, or probably a Chevy, you're well aware that the heater cores tend to go bad. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to talk a little bit about how you can fix it quick without spending a whole ton of money. How do we know their heater core's gone bad? Well, some of the things that you might find are a smell of antifreeze in the cabin. You might find a puddle of antifreeze underneath your truck, which is what I found. Let's take a look here. So we go underneath here, and you can see, there it is right there. There's the antifreeze. We also have the smell in the truck as well. Now, to bypass the heater core is pretty easy. You have two, I actually cut them already, I've already done the bypass, but you have two coolant lines. For my truck, one comes from here all the way back. Let's see if we can get a shot of it. There we go. And that one goes in right there. And then there, so that takes the coolant into the heater core, which is hot. There's a fan in the heater core that blows the heat off a radiator and then returns the coolant back to the engine from here down into the back of the engine there. So to bypass this, all you have to do, I got lazy, I just cut them because this one doesn't have a clamp that I could have taken off easily, and the other one was so jacked up I couldn't get it off, so I just cut the two. Because when I end up doing another video on how to replace the heater core, I'm going to replace these lines anyway. So what you do is you cut these. You can buy a simple 90-degree hose valve here. It's actually not a valve, it's just a tube here that's plastic and there's no valve inside. And you connect these two hoses together, so that effectively keeps the coolant right there in the engine. You just put this together here. Oh, hold on, I forgot my clamp. Don't forget your clamp. Put that on there. We'll go ahead and connect these two together. Okay, so I've connected them together. You can just tighten this clamp off, right like that, and then you have this too, and that will completely bypass that heater core. You see it back there. That heater core will no longer get any coolant into it, and thereby it will not leak or create any noxious fumes in your cabin, so that you can keep using this truck. At least for what my purpose is, I'm going to keep using it for a couple months, so I have some time to actually replace the heater core. Heater cores are quite a pain in the butt because you got to take the whole dashboard out to get at them in this truck, and then you got to replace it from the inside. So that's how you bypass the heater core on my Ford F-150. Most trucks and vehicles and cars are all the same, so it's a quick fix. Buys you some time so you can keep using the truck. That's what we're doing for the day. So make sure you guys like my channel, subscribe, and keep watching for more awesome DIY videos from the Working Dad channel. Thanks. Bye.